Last class we saw that a small boy, he saw the bottle which consists of this portion, a liquid which was lying on the swamp area. He thought it is a nice drink and he swallowed it completely, right? The germs entered inside the body of the boy, and the germs, the witches, they could not do any harm. They did not have the power to harm the child, but they had the capacity to change the boy's likes into dislikes, right? Until that we learn. Let us see now how the likes of the boys have been changed to dislike. In a few days, a funny feeling started in the boy's mouth. He no longer wanted to eat vegetables, fruits and good food. All he wanted to do was to ask for pizza and burger and wait for them at home. He wasted his time waiting for food from hotels or restaurants and watching television, eating ice cream and chips. So how the boy's like changed? His likes changed to dislikes. How? Before he used to have lot of varieties of food. He loved to eat fruits and vegetables. Now when the germs entered inside the stomach of that boy, his likes changed to dislike. Now he started disliking the food. Whatever he ate before, whatever he liked before, the fruits and vegetables, whatever he was interested in having, now he started disliking it. Instead of fruits and vegetables, he started asking about burger, ice cream, pizza. That's why he was making at home to bring from the restaurant. And every day what he used to do, how he used to spend his time? He spent his time by watching television and eating chips. So he started eating junk foods. Before he used to have lot of varieties of fruits and vegetables. Now what happened? His likes changed into dislikes. Instead of having fruits and vegetables, he started having chips. No longer did he enjoy fruits and vegetables. He did not feel like walking, running and playing with his friends. Eventually, he stopped going out of the house and was sitting or lying about. He started feeling ill. Before long, he had no desire to do anything. The evil portion had worked, and the worst thing of all was that the witches has learned to jump from one person to another like virus. They managed to turn the effect of the potion into one of the worst diseases, the disease of wasting life. So what did you learn in this fourth paragraph? In this fourth paragraph we learned that he started eating all the junk food and he stopped playing. Every time he was to be at home, lying on the bed or watching television. He stopped playing, he stopped jumping, running, walking. He did not like to go out of home only, out of the home to play. Every time how he used to spend? He used to spend wasting his life only watching television or lying on the bed. And also these germs which was inside the body, inside the stomach, right, of that boy, it started learning to jump from one person to another person. Means to transmit from one person to another person. So that transmission of germs from one person to another person are called virus. What do you mean by virus? Can you see here? Virus means an infective agent. So when it transmitted from one person to another person, even the other person also will get sick because of that virus, right? So like that they learn jumping from one person to another person. So the effect of the portion inside the body became one of the worst disease. What is that word? The worst disease? Transmission from one person to another person. And this disease wasted one's life, right? Before how good he was very healthy, he was very active. Now because of this virus attack, what happened? He wasted his life. He started eating junk food. He started feeling sick day by day. It was a long while before, with the help of his microscope, Dr. Fit and Healthy discovered that the little witches were causing this disease. So normally if you feel sick, for whom you will go to consult? Right? You will consult doctor. Like that, the boy's parent, they took that boy to doctor. What is the name of the doctor? Fit and Healthy. The name of the doctor is Fit and Healthy. So with the help of microscope, he examined, he diagnosed, and doctor came to know that what is the real cause for the disease. The cause for the disease is the little witches which were causing this disease. There was no vaccine or cough mixtures to get rid of them. The doctor found out that the witches could not tolerate joy and good health. It turned out that the best cure was to make a strong effort to live a healthy, joyful and happy life. When a person became healthy, the witches had to leave that body as soon as they could, riding off on a sneeze. So doctor examined that little witches are responsible to cause a disease, and also at that time there was no vaccine or any cough syrup or something like that to get cure of that disease. So also he discovered, what he discovered, the witches did not like any happy or joy. That witches did not like. The boy or the person whoever are happy or joyful, for them the germs cannot attack. So if the boy want to get cured, what he want to do? He want to eat varieties of food and also balanced food, lot of fruits and vegetables. He want to play. He should not be idle. If we be joyful and healthy, the germs will come out from his body. How the germs will come out from the person's body or from the boy's body? When he sneezes, it comes out. That is what Dr. Fit and Healthy discovered. What did he discover? He discovered that the germs could not tolerate joyful or healthy person. If the person is healthy or joyful, that germs cannot tolerate that. So, what the boy should do now? If you want to become normal, you want to play, you want to eat varieties of fruits and vegetables, you should be healthy and you should be in joyful mood. If he is in joyful mood and healthy, the germs can come out from that boy's body. How? Through sneeze. This is what Dr. Fit and Healthy discovered. From then on, the best remedy was neither pills nor injections, but just a little bit of effort to eat some fruits and vegetables and to do some exercise. Whoever came to see Dr. Fit and Healthy and took his advice ended up totally well, being cured of the wasting life disease. So from then on, if the boy, any person or any boy, if he feels sick, if he comes to visit doctor, if he comes to consult Dr. Fit and Healthy, what was the medicine Dr. Fit and Healthy used to give? Neither tablets nor syrup. Only used to advise those people to eat a balanced food, nutritious food and do some exercises. This will make a person healthy. That is what Dr. Fit and Healthy started advising the people, whoever comes to visit him. So this is the end of the lesson, children. What did you learn from this lesson? What is the value you learned from this lesson? What is the virtue you learned from this lesson? From this lesson, we understand that being idle and eating junk food cause you sick. If you want to be healthy, then you should do some exercises and eat a balanced food. That is the virtue what is hidden in this lesson. Right, children? I hope you have enjoyed the lesson, which was humorous. Thank you.